Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is elevate, elevate, elevate. We need high elevated thoughts beyond the stratosphere in the solar system. I need you to have radical faith that things are going to work out for you, because they are. Everything's working out for your own good. Any tests or any obstacles are making you stronger, wiser. Therefore, you can manifest and maintain bigger blessings. I mean, we say on this page, from the shed to the mansion to the penthouse to the loft. I mean, you're going to be blessed with an overflow, but you have to be able to maintain it, because blessings come with their own weight. And once you build up that strength, it'll feel like a feather, not a ball and chain. Rain, sleet, or snow, you'll be able to enjoy your manifestations and sustain them. Therefore, life becomes living, not about surviving. I free myself from fear, because fear fears you. Once you look in the eye, I guarantee it runs the other way, and you're on your way to living your life. And I trust the universe. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me, which you are, a beautiful soul. That's why everyone loves being around you. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light. You remain positive. There's no weapon formed against you that can fight against love. Your biggest adversary will be confused. I say, I don't know how to upset them. I don't know how to knock them off of their pivot. Let me help them. Let me return that love and make sure they succeed. That's the rules of the universe. It does happen that way. And I create light, and I rise above all doubt, and you thrive and you prosper. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.